Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage graphic design with Adobe Spark. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to spark.adobe.com. Sign in using your Adobe account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Click on the plus button to start a new project. You'll see options for post, page, or video. Select the type of project you want to create. For a graphic design project, choose Post. Next, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through the templates or use the search bar to find a specific style. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the editor. The editor consists of several sections, including text, images, and design options. To customize text, click on the text box and type your content. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment from the right sidebar. To change images, click on the image you want to replace. You can upload your own images or choose from Adobe Spark's free stock photos. To upload an image, click on the Upload button in the sidebar. Once your image is uploaded, drag it into the designated area. Adjust the size and position until you're satisfied with the layout. Use the Design tab to explore different color palettes and themes. Experiment with various design options to find the one that fits your project. To add additional text boxes or images, use the plus button within the editor. When you're happy with your design, click the Download button. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG. You can also share directly to social media by clicking on the Share option. After confirming your choices, your design is ready to be shared or downloaded. Return to the dashboard to start a new project or edit an existing one. Always remember to save your changes while you work. Exploring Adobe Spark can help you create stunning graphics quickly and easily. Now you can manage your graphic design projects effectively using Adobe Spark. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.